Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. After the assembly elections and a series of by-polls in West Bengal this year, several leaders from the Congress and the BJP have left and joined the victorious Trinamool Congress. And meanwhile, speculations have started on whether Varun Gandhi may be added to the list in the near future or not. In the words of a top representative of Trinamool Congress, leaders who are not happy with the Bharatiya Janata Party but can't go to the Congress either are contacting the TMC. At the moment, it is clear that Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress may play a key role in putting up a challenge before the Narendra Modi government in 2024 Lok Sabha elections. According to some observers, the relationship between Varun Gandhi and the BJP central leadership is bitter right now. He and his mother, Menaka Gandhi, have cut off from the BJP's National Working Committee. Varun condemned the killing of farmers in the recent Lakhimpur Kheri violence in Uttar Pradesh. He was also vocal against Gandhi's assassin, Nathuram Godse, on the Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Varun will need a new political platform if he leaves the BJP, and it is not possible for him to join the Congress, say sources. Now, Varun Gandhi joining TMC will certainly be a big challenge for Congress as well as BJP. In a fillip to the Trinamool Congress ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, Congress leaders Kirti Azad and Ashok Tanwar on Tuesday joined the Mamata Banerjee-led party in New Delhi. Earlier in the day, former Janata Dal leader Pawan Verma also joined the Trinamool Congress in the presence of Mamata Banerjee. The development comes amid the West Bengal Chief Minister's visit to the national capital ahead of Parliament's winter session on November 29th. It makes me happy to say that under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, I'll work for the development of the nation. Today, a personality like her is needed in the country who can show the country the right direction, says cricketer turned politician Kirti Azad. The cricketer who was part of India's winning World Cup team in 1983 forayed into politics with the Bharatiya Janata Party and became a parliamentarian from Bihar's Darbhanga. However, he was suspended from the BJP in 2015 over anti-party activities, following which he joined the Congress in 2019 to contest the Lok Sabha elections from Dhanbad. He lost to BJP's Pashupati Nath Singh by a huge margin. On the other hand, a former president of the Haryana Pradesh Congress Committee, Ashok Tanwar, quit the party in 2019. The Trinamool Congress posted on Twitter the news of the induction of the three leaders into the party fold. A close confidant of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, Verma was removed from the JDU along with political strategist Prashant Kishore over their disagreements with the party chief on the controversial amendment citizen laws. Looking at the current political scenario and the potential in Mamata Banerjee, I have today joined Trinamool Congress, says Verma. The Trinamool Congress said Verma's rich political experience will help the party serve the people of India and take this nation forward to even better days. Kirti Azad is the third Congress leader to join the Trinamool Congress after Goa's Luciano Florio, Assam's Shushmita Dev. Varun Gandhi's entry to TMC will be a big thunder into national politics. Now, a new phase from Gandhi family apart from Rahul and Priyanka will be emerging to challenge Modi. Varun Gandhi, known to be an intellectual politician who had not got an opportunity to be an icon of Gandhi family, being a grandson of Indira Gandhi and son of vibrant Congress leader Sanjay Gandhi. If Varun Gandhi takes to challenge Modi and BJP, it will bring new history in national politics. Varun Gandhi acceptance by the Congress Parivar may fade the stature of Rahul Gandhi in the Indian politics. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Singh reporting for iScope Media.